here's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be creating a new report. I'm going to be making a copy of one of the scheduling exchange reports. The one we have in the system might work, but I'm going to let you figure that. It's going to be the approved exchanges reassignments. With the new report, we're going to go ahead and rename it. Go ahead and copy this down into here. And the query is what you're going to be needing to bring into your new query to run in the other report. But here's the things we want to be looking at. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the parentheses first, and then you can remove those. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of all of the having features. I'm going to go to filter. I'm going to get everything except the start date time from this. And what we're going to do here is we're going to say that it's going to be a variable, because we're actually going to be typing it in, and it's going to be greater than or equal to right now, which is date, time, open, close, parenthesis. Okay, so that means it's going to be only looking from here forward. That's our scheduled days from here forward. Then what we're going to do is we're going to create a custom field. The custom field expression we're going to be using is going to be text to date. And if we open up the expression builder, we can basically say text to date of the start date time. This is going to give us our actual ending date that we want to look at. It's the start time of the time off, but this is going to be how far into the future we want to look. We're going to be using a dynamic date in a second. So we're going to just call this end date. Now that we have a custom field expression called end date down here, looking at just the date portion, we're going to come over here to having. We're going to add another variable. Our source will be the end date, and this is going to be less than. And then here we're going to use the dynamic date feature built into Firehouse, which is dyna date open parenthesis 11 for the fiscal year, comma 2 for the end of the fiscal year, and close that. So what this is going to be doing is, with the filter tab, it's going to be greater than right now and less than the end of this fiscal year. I'm going to go ahead and save that. Save it again. Now it's just going to automatically run it. I should only have one record in here from 3/13 to 3/14. I've got two other ones that are scheduled after July 1st that don't show up.